Alright, time for another fun mix and match combiner. This time, the Decepticon, it's like Super Scramble. So let's start getting that together. Alright, first up, we got the legs. Come on. There we go. Okay, this one is very similar to Abomenaticus. His name I can say. Decepticon Super Scramble is far easier to say. But yeah, essentially features a lot of the same pieces. However, come on, there we go. Get the gun. However, this time it's like there's more lore behind it. As you can see here, we got this time Cutthroat as a leg, Brawl as a leg, Dead End as the other arm, and Blast Off as the other arm. And the thing about the Decepticon Super Scramble is that each piece gives something to the big combiner. So, as Hungerr in the center gives it great strength. We have Brawl allows it to stand firmly. Cutthroat gives it a high jump. Then you have Blast Off gives it a high speed punch, and Dead End gives it a fierce punch. So I'm guessing he's a southpaw. Yeah. So yeah, this is another one of the combiners you can make. It's like if you have, it's like Stunticons, Combaticons, and Terrorcons. You can make this Decepticon Super Scramble. Yeah, there are Autobot variances to these as well. So yeah, there's another fun group you could make, and another fun thing, it's like with the Scramble City style. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed that, and who knows, next time we'll do the Autobot versions. The Autobot Super Scramble and possibly Combaticon in the near future. So yep, stay tuned everybody, hope you have a great time, and yeah, we'll catch you in the future. Later.